I guess we should talk about it.
About what?
How we went from this to this. Hi, I'm Rachel.
And I'm Austin.
If you're new here, welcome. If you have been a subscriber, probably from me making a projector and thought I was going to make other cool projects, welcome back.
And you may remember me as the guy cleaning up after all of Rachel's messes.
So now we live in a van. We are going to be traveling. Right now we are in Novato, California, and we are getting some stuff done to the van. So we have another week. After that, we'll be meeting some friends, and then we will officially be starting this journey. So if you're just joining us, we want to say welcome. We hope you hit the subscribe button and stick around.